Growing macadamia nuts can be an incredibly rewarding endeavor, both for the satisfaction of nurturing a tree to maturity and for the delicious, nutritious nuts it produces. In this video, we'll delve into the secrets of successfully cultivating macadamia nuts, sharing expert farming tips that will help you maximize your yield and ensure the health of your trees. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a curious beginner, this guide will equip you with the knowledge you need to thrive in the world of macadamia nut farming. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are macadamia nuts? Originating from Australia, these nuts are prized for their rich flavor and creamy texture. They are often used in baking, cooking, and as a snack on their own. With their rising popularity, macadamia nuts have become a lucrative crop for many farmers around the world. However, growing them requires specific conditions and practices to ensure a successful harvest. The first step in growing macadamia nuts is selecting the right location. Macadamia trees thrive in warm, subtropical to tropical climates, ideally with temperatures ranging from 60 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. They prefer well-drained soils rich in organic matter, so it's essential to choose a site with good drainage to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. If your soil is heavy clay or poorly drained, consider amending it with organic matter or creating raised beds to improve drainage. Next, consider the variety of macadamia nuts you want to grow. There are several different cultivars, each with its own unique characteristics. The two most common varieties are Macadamia integrifolia and Macadamia tetraphylla. Macadamia integrifolia is known for its high oil content and smooth texture, making it the preferred choice for commercial production. Macadamia tetraphylla, on the other hand, has a slightly tougher shell and a different flavor profile, but it can be more resilient in certain climates. Research the varieties available in your region and choose one that suits your growing conditions and market demands. Once you've selected your location and variety, it's time to prepare the soil. Conduct a soil test to determine its pH and nutrient levels. Macadamia trees prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH, ideally between 6.0 and 7.0. If your soil is too alkaline, you can lower the pH by adding elemental sulfur or organic matter like compost. Additionally, macadamia trees require adequate nutrients, particularly nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Based on your soil test results, you may need to apply fertilizers or amendments to ensure your trees have the nutrients they need to thrive. When planting your macadamia trees, spacing is crucial. These trees can grow quite large, so it's essential to give them enough room to spread their branches and develop a healthy root system. A general rule of thumb is to plant them 20 to 30 feet apart, depending on the variety and your specific growing conditions. Dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball, but no deeper than the root ball itself. Gently loosen the roots before placing the tree in the hole, ensuring that the graft union is above the soil line. Backfill the hole with soil and water thoroughly to eliminate air pockets. Once your trees are planted, proper care and maintenance will set the foundation for a successful harvest. Watering is one of the most critical aspects of macadamia nut farming. Young trees require consistent moisture, especially during their first few years of growth. However, it's important to avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. A drip irrigation system can be an excellent investment, providing a steady supply of water directly to the root zone while minimizing water waste. As your trees mature, they will require less frequent watering, but you should still monitor soil moisture, especially during dry spells. Mulching around the base of the trees can help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Organic mulch, such as wood chips or straw, not only conserves water, but also adds nutrients to the soil as it decomposes. Fertilization is another key component of macadamia nut farming. Young trees benefit from a balanced fertilizer applied in early spring and again in late summer. As the trees mature, you can adjust the fertilizer application based on their growth and soil nutrient levels. Look for fertilizers specifically formulated for macadamia trees, as they typically contain the right balance of nutrients for optimal growth and nut production. Pest and disease management is vital in maintaining healthy macadamia trees. Common pests include macadamia nut borer, leafcutter ants, and various aphids. Regularly inspect your trees for signs of infestation and take action promptly if you notice any issues. Integrated pest management strategies, such as introducing beneficial insects or using organic pesticides, can help control pest populations without harming the environment. Diseases can also pose a threat to your macadamia trees. One of the most common diseases is Phytophthora root rot, which thrives in overly wet conditions. To prevent this, ensure proper drainage and avoid overwatering. Regularly check for signs of disease, such as wilting leaves or blackened roots, and take appropriate measures to manage any outbreaks. As your macadamia trees grow, you'll need to consider pruning to encourage healthy growth and maximize nut production. Pruning should be done during the tree's dormant season, typically in late winter or early spring. Focus on removing dead or diseased branches, as well as any crossing branches that could impede airflow and sunlight penetration. This will help improve the overall health of the tree and promote better nut development. Now, let's talk about the all-important topic of harvesting. Macadamia nuts typically take about 7 to 10 years to start producing nuts, but once they do, they can be incredibly prolific. Harvesting usually occurs in late summer to early fall when the nuts begin to drop from the trees. It's essential to collect the nuts promptly to prevent them from being damaged by pests or mold. To harvest, you can either shake the trees or use a long pole to knock the nuts down. Once collected, the nuts must be hulled and dried to prevent spoilage. Hulling involves removing the outer green husk, which can be done manually or with a hulling machine. After hulling, the nuts should be spread out in a single layer to dry in a shaded, well-ventilated area. Proper drying is crucial, as it helps prevent mold and ensures the nuts maintain their quality. After drying, the nuts can be stored in a cool, dry place. If you're planning to sell them, consider investing in proper packaging to maintain freshness. Macadamia nuts can be sold in various forms, from raw to roasted, salted, or flavored, so explore different markets to maximize your profits. As you embark on your journey of growing macadamia nuts, remember that patience and dedication are key. It may take years to see a substantial harvest, but the rewards are well worth the wait. With the right care and attention, you can cultivate a thriving macadamia nut farm that not only provides delicious nuts, but also contributes to sustainable agriculture. In conclusion, growing macadamia nuts is an exciting venture that combines science, art, and a bit of luck. By understanding the specific needs of these trees and implementing expert farming tips, you can set yourself up for success. From selecting the right location and variety to managing pests and harvesting, each step plays a crucial role in the health of your trees and the quality of your nuts. So roll up your sleeves, embrace the process, and enjoy the journey of cultivating one of nature's most delightful treasures. Happy farming!